Hello and welcome back to Jimbo's PC Builds. Today I'm going to be doing a very quick overview of the Cooler Master SK650 keyboard. It's the brand new Cherry MX low profile keyboard. Let's take a look.
The keyboard itself looks very attractive. It's got an aluminium bezel, lights up very well. It has flat keys with virtually no curve, so as you're moving your fingers around the keyboard it's not very easy to distinguish where one key ends and another one begins. I would say, however, it's very easy for small hands being flatter. The keys themselves have a medium level of resistance. They're pretty quiet and there's no obvious clicking sound like there is on other Cherry MX keyboards. The lighting effect is controlled using the Cooler Master key with various function keys across the top. This is a selling point that Cooler Master put in their website. There is no software integration for this, so you cannot line up any kind of effect you have with any other device like fans or anything else with your PC, so just be aware of that. Also, there's no separate media control, so for example, there's no volume wheel, so you can't easily, without you again using the Cooler Master key and various other keys, the volume or play and pause and all that kind of good stuff. On the whole, it's a pretty good keyboard, but for the price I think you're paying for the switches themselves rather than the features that the keyboard could have. It's missing some features. It's $130 at the time of purchase. If it had the additional features like multimedia control, I think the keyboard will be a lot worth it. If you have small hands like myself, it's an ideal keyboard and it might be worth purchasing for that alone.
Well, I hope you found that information interesting. If you would like to purchase the keyboard, I'm going to put a link in the description below. Personally, I thought it was a very interesting keyboard. It's Cooler Master's first attempt at a low profile keyboard. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing and remember to come back for future content. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.